Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Robinhood website. Log in using your existing credentials or create a new account if you are a first-time user. The desktop platform provides a robust experience, allowing you to manage your investments with a larger display. You'll find all the essential features readily accessible, making it simple to get started. Once logged in, your main dashboard shows your portfolio's performance, total value, and available buying power. On the left-hand side, you can access your personalized watch lists. These lists help you monitor stocks you are interested in without owning them yet. Clicking on any stock reveals its historical data, news, and key metrics, giving you a clear picture before making any decisions. To place a trade, simply search for the asset you wish to buy or sell. You'll see options for market orders, which execute immediately at the current price, or limit orders, which let you set a specific price. Robinhood also supports options and cryptocurrency trading. Always double-check your order details, including the quantity and price, before confirming. This ensures your trade aligns with your investment strategy. The Account Settings section allows you to update personal details, link or unlink bank accounts, and manage security features like two-factor authentication. Robinhood also offers a wealth of educational content, including articles and guides, to help you understand various investment concepts. If you ever need help, their customer support team is available to assist you with any questions or issues you might encounter, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.